how we're gonna fix this flipping thing, brother. It's not looking good. What's up, jammers? Welcome back. This week, the buddy build.
Man, we're excited about this one, aren't we, Ryan?
Heck yeah, we are.
And we think it's gonna go quick. I don't know.
We'll see. But this week, we hope to get this front end torn apart and maybe get this frame area straightened in our driveway.
I don't know, man. That's a lot to ask, but I think we might be able to pull it off.
We do have help that has driven all the way down from another state to help us because he wants to be a part of this buddy build and donate his time. So again, really excited about that.
Well, we have a bunch of people jumping in, sending us parts from the F150 forum and other YouTubers, and we're very thankful for you guys. We're going to tell you guys who those people are as we put the parts back on.
So stay tuned. Again, as we work on this buddy build, this is a donation thing that we're trying to help somebody out. So let's do it.
So Ryan, what are you starting with here, man?
So we're gonna try to get this bullnose off to give us some space to work.
Yeah.
Because as you can see, it's pushed up pretty good up into this lower core support. Or no, bumper filler.
Yep.
And then into the core support.
Well, it's pushed into everything.
It's kind of just bullied. It's kind of just bulled its way through things.
Is the right size, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I ain't getting that one up in there now. Let me tell you what. Oh yeah, that's great. Yeah.
Oh, there's one. Nice.
We got it. It's like working on a toilet. You just got to get all up on it. In case the sparkles hit me, I have my safety glasses on.
Really? Are those rated for safety?
They're pink. Yes.
What are you doing, Ryan?
Well, I think after last week's episode where we guillotined each other almost, I think it's wise this week that I have my safety glasses on with my safety gloves for the Grey Goose. Let's get at it.
Comment below if you understand what movie that was just from. Have you ever watched Napoleon Dynamite?
Oh yeah! Vote for Pedro, bro! Heck yeah! Go over and eat, Tina, you fat lord!
So what are you doing up here, Ryan, on the battery area?
Right now, what I'm doing is I'm getting my socket stuck. Taking off the power and the ground wire for the winch. No, I don't mean like the bar winch. Wait,
for the winch.
Winch.
Not wet. Winch.
Winch or winch?
Winch.
Damn it, I have troubles with those words.
What's wrong, Ryan?
What's wrong?
Yeah. What are you doing?
I gotta take these clothes off, man.
Why?
I gotta feel stuff when I'm working on it.
You lasted like 5 minutes with those on, buddy.
You know what? Some people have no touch and feel. I try to be more sensitive with things.
Oh, you're saying you're sensitive now?
I am. Yeah, very sensitive. I mean, can't you tell I have pink glasses on? I'm very sensitive. probably what will happen is we're gonna cut it off back there, and we're gonna have Clint come in and weld it on.
So we did on the silver bullet, right?
Silver bullet.
Yeah.
Grabs hold.
Get you some of that, baby. Get you some of that. Yeah. It's because of the Mr. T gold necklace. I can do stuff.
Really?
Marca.
The problem is you won't be able to do anything tomorrow.
I'm gonna have to go sit down for a second. All right, guys, what do we got going on here, Jay?
Well, so we have our lower A frame, right?
A-arm.
A-arm, that's what it is. And it looks like we've got our drop, this piece right here, we're gonna remove. So we're gonna pull this bottom bolt out on the front and the back. That should drop the A-arm down. And then pull this bolt, well, the bolt will be out at that point. And then we'll pull the top one out on each side. And then this piece pretty much should come off. I think there's a strap up on the middle we have to pull out. We'll have to come back up here. On the other side, it's bent up. We're gonna have to straighten that, and then the whole thing can go back together.
Sounds relatively easy.
I was just gonna say, really simple.
Yeah. All right, get after it. That guy.
Wow, we're gonna have a big torch to do this. This thing is jacked pretty hard.
Kind of wondered.
So as you can see, we got a little bit of a bracket issue. This kind of goes like this. But if you look down this edge, you can see here that we're still straight. So our bend starts up here. Now this one's got a little dimple right in here. And so what we're gonna do is basically heat it up and pull this whole assembly this way. So stay tuned.
All right, Ryan, we are in the garage, bro.
Yeah, and as you guys often talk about, we don't practice safety. So today, since we're in the garage and we're gonna be heating this up, I wanted to take it serious and practice safety. So I got my safety glasses on, a safety helmet, and I'm ready to bend some.
And your safety chain around your neck.
Yeah.
So I'm looking at this piece and it looks really, really bent. So what are we gonna do?
We're gonna heat it.
Heat it up and then try to straighten it?
And then just try to bring it back to the dark side. What's up, guys? Well, we got the truck pretty much figured out what we need to do. We got the frame bent back because of Clint at LGA.
No, we couldn't have done it without him.
No, seriously, on a text message, he came over and hooked it up for us. Really appreciate it.
Yes, for sure.
We have Sam from Ohio down, who's a really close friend of the person we're building the truck for, who really came in clutch this weekend too for us.
I know, it did a lot of work too.
Yeah, pretty much all I did was film. You can tell by
I know, I sat in a chair and watched.
Yeah.
It was a lot of fun. We had a great time, and now we're ready to put this thing back together in the next episode.
Yes, we are.
It's gonna be great. So we would appreciate you guys if you would keep watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button. Just do it right now. That would really help us out a ton. We're trying to get to 1,000. We're about 230 away.
230 away. And if you want to see more content, like how to change a clock spring, watch that video. Check us out. And on that note, we'll see you next time.
Do your thing. Do your thing, Ryan. Do it. Do it, Ryan.
Domination!